Hi guys, it's officially your last E skill. After this, you'll be able to do any of the lower grade math skills as well as A, B, C, D, and E now. So we're doing E27 today. I went into my assignments and just clicked on it. It's pulling it up, making sure that I am, as always, signed in up at the top. And then also going through and making sure I'm on the right skill. So E27, E27. Inequalities with division. So it has a statement, 16 divided by 2 compared to 8. So we have to solve this side first. 2 goes into 16, 8 times. 8 compared to 8 is equal. Perfect. All I'm doing is going through and solving the side that hasn't been solved. So 4 goes into 12 3 times compared to 3, 3 compared to 3, they're equal. Submit. All right, next one. 9 compared to 20 divided by 2. Gotta go down a little bit further. 2 goes into 20 10 times, so this is 10 compared to 9. 9 is less than 10. I'm gonna bust through a bunch of these because they're going super quick. 12 divided by 2 compared to 10. 2 goes into 12 6 times, so I have 6 compared to 10. 6 is less than 10. Submit. When they're going this fast, guys, I challenge you to go and try and get one of those medals because, I mean, why not prove that you've totally got this down? I don't see the harm in it. Plus, we are trying to do that challenge to see how many questions we can answer. And solving a bunch of these are going to help us with that challenge, especially when they are coming easy. There's no point in not just busting through it and trying to get through as many as you can. 12 divided by 6. Also, if I were you, just because I'm a competitive person, I would totally set a timer to see how quickly I could do these. I mean, it does tell you and it does have the score, but like, look, time left, I've done 2 minutes and I've already answered 5 questions. Killing it. You guys, I know how much you like to time things. We did a bunch of it in class. Do it now. Why not? It gives you a timer right there. See if you can beat your best score. Okay, this one I want to start at the 3-minute mark. Okay, 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 compared to 12. 14 divided by 2 is 7 compared to 12. 7 is less than 12. Submit. Okay, I did that one in 13 seconds because I started it at the 3-minute mark. It's pretty fun to time yourself and see how fast you can get while still getting them correct. All right. Pretty easy skill. I think you'll be able to bust through it. I'm really hoping I can see a bunch of 100%. Bye, guys.